Another powerful way of entering charges and reminders into Wise Option is through digital circle sheets. So it's like you're creating a custom list. Just click, 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 and off you go creating your list. So first, let me show you how to create a digital circle sheets. The idea is that you can have multiples and different types of circle sheets under your list of groups for circle sheets. You could have, for example, one for, I'm going to simulate here reproduction. I'm going to put in my favorites. And I'm going to create another one that it's called, for example, for foals, or I would say lameness. I'm going to put also in my favorites. If I put on the default, it's going to go for the default groups, and everybody in regardless, all users will see that. So here are my lists, and here are my favorites, and for everybody. Now, lameness is empty. I'm going to start with lameness. So if I go down here, this side I have the plus to add my list, and on this side I'm going to add items to the list. It pops up, and I'm going to show for lameness exam. So here is my lameness exam. I add the first code, and as soon as you add the code, you can start adding also other things. You can put x-rays, you know, you can put, I'm going to put some fake drugs here, generic names. So the drug A, I'm going to use the tube, and I'm going to put 10 milligrams of this one here. I can also create another option for drug A for the same tube, but this case for 20 milligrams. So I don't want to type, I want to just show 10, 20, 30. You can do that. But Wise Option also allows you, once you select, to change the quantity right on the spot. And I can add another one here that is for, let's say, drug F. And I'm going to use this unit mils. I'm going to say 5 mils. It's the suggested amount. There you go. Now I'm going to go for my repro, and the repro is a different one. So I'm going to go for the repro. I'm going to say drugs, or maybe in the repro I could say palpation. Palpation, if I can spell. So I'm going to add the charge for palpation. I also can add something like any drugs. The idea here is that you can, it's hard to do. I'm going to use from 100 mils. I'm going to put here 20 mils of this drug, 100 mgs. So here it says what it is, and you keep adding your stuff. I'm going to put one more just to be on a safe side here. Drug, I'm going to say drug H, this, and I'm going to put 5 mils of this as well. So, and another thing that you can notice is that the lists are, this is a graphical environment. You can rearrange as the way you want. Suppose you have one for, you know, lacerations. You could have sedations, or lameness. You could have sedation, nerve block, x-rays. You can have, you know, injections. So each column, but the thing is that you can organize your list, just drag and drop, and the list will respect your organization. Now that you have your lists, I'm going to close this tab and start from where I was. So I went here, and I'm going to click here, and to charge, you just click, 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 and I'm going to place 3 charges in the account. Lameness, procedure A and F. So here it is, lameness, procedure A and F charged to the account. It could be directly into the invoice as well. So today you've learned how to set up and consume digital circle sheets in Wise Option. Thanks for watching.